The grand scheme of crypto, first and foremost, I am not a financial advisor, and nothing said here is financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. Just bring you guys a quick news update on Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu drops below Dogecoin and Avax on list of top coins and tokens by market capitalization. And this is an article that was posted on Sunday, January 9th on u.today. So you guys can check it out for yourselves. I'll leave it linked up in the description below. So, let's see. Arman Shirian said Shiba Inu loses its place at the top of the market. The negative sentiment around the Shiba Inu token has been staying strong after the token fails to recover after another price drop. In addition to its unpleasant market performance, Shiba Inu has lost its place in the top 10 of large coins and tokens by market capitalization, losing to Avax, Dogecoin, and DOT. That's Polkadot. Shib, MarketCap bleed. During the last month, I'm just going to point out some of the main things of this article. It's pretty short, so I'll pretty much be reading it verbatim since it's really short, but I'm going to be highlighting the key things, and you can see the key things I've already highlighted here if you're watching. Shib, MarketCap bleed. During the last month, Shiba Inu's market capitalization has been even more unstable than its price, with a sudden increase at the beginning of December and a strong plunge that began on December 28th. During Shib's 1,000% rally, the token's market cap reached $50 billion, surpassing industry giants like Solana and entering the top 5 according to CoinMarketCap. But due to high volatility and a large number of short-term traders, the sudden price drop caused panic selling streaks that have pounded the asset's cap down to $17 billion. So from $50 billion back down to $70 billion. That is nuts. You know, so that's why I stress, guys, to the people in my groups, you should always be taking profits. Never be, falling in love with these coins. I'm a victim of this myself. I'm a victim of falling in love with women. Not that it's a bad thing, but you have to understand what it is. You know what I'm saying? You have to understand what it is and what you're doing and what it comes with. Same thing with these coins. You fall in love with these coins, you got to ride them with the ups and the downs. You feel me? You can't be mad when the downs come. You in it for the ups and the downs. You know what I'm saying? So keep that in mind. Now, if you want to just get these coins for the short to mid term, you got to get you a few of them. I ain't going to say get you a few H word. I ain't gonna say the H word, you feel me? We ain't gonna be explicit, but you gotta get you a few women out here. You know what I'm saying? Have a few of them out here. And then, like I said, when the times is good, you gotta take them profits. That way, when things are down, you not mad. You feel me? You like, okay, boom, I just get back with her. We taking a little break right now. I get back with her, get back with the coin. You know what I'm saying? When it's time to enter again. So you gotta look at it like that. So but a lot of you guys are simps. No, I'm just but yeah, back to the article. So where were we at? The unexpected recovery began on December 20th when the meme token's market cap quickly increased from 15 to 21 billion in less than 5 days. So a nice little increase. I think it's about 20%. But due to the absence of buying power from retail traders, the rally could not last long and ended shortly thereafter. So these articles actually give you a lot of insight if you're looking to learn how to trade. Just think about this last sentence here. But due to the absence of buying power from retail traders, the rally could not last long and ended shortly thereafter. So it lets you know that if you saw this rally and you were watching it TA wise, and you saw that there wasn't the volume started to decrease, or there wasn't any buying power, there wasn't any more buys set up or coming in, or there was just more sales on the order books, then it would give you kind of a sign that's like, okay, maybe it's time to get out. Maybe it's time to take profits. So just keep that in mind, guys, when you're reading these articles. It's some things like that you should note down, especially if you're trying to learn how to trade. Like, that's something I'm going to go ahead and write down after I'm done recording this video here. I'm going to write that down because that's something of key, that I think is important to remember. Now, Shiba Inu's market performance. While the asset brings major profits to some holders and investors, in the asset's current state, the majority of traders and investors are losing their money by holding Shib. This token has lost more than 60% of its value since its all-time high and does not seem to show any signs of recovery. This is all TA-wise. While whales and large addresses continue to buy the asset, most retail and private traders have exited the asset. The current composition of holders suggests that the assets is mostly being held by mid and long-term investors who are usually considered a healthy sign for a token or coin in the long term. But I feel like most of the people watching here aren't long-term investors. They're people who have maybe a small amount to invest and are looking to increase their bag size in the mid to short term, or maybe even, take $100 and turn it into 10,000 over the long term, like talking to 1 year to 5 years. So that's it for this one, guys. Just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention and highlight some key things in this article as far as technical analysis and the benefits and the pros and the cons of holding coins long term and just not checking them and just waiting. You know what I mean? Waiting. Don't get sucked into that trap unless you know what comes with it. So that's all I'll say for that, because there's a lot of people on YouTube specifically that are charging people and are telling them that, oh, this coin is good, when there's a ton of coins that are good fundamentally, but you don't know when they're going to be going up, or you don't know anything about price action, or you don't know anything about TA or technical analysis. All you can say is that this coin is good because it's affiliated with this or it has this partnership. Don't get sucked into that trap of having people, tell you where to invest your money, or not give you financial advice, but give you, their opinion, and have you stuck in coins for, months or more through, sometimes what we might call mini bear markets, like what happened in April. So just my 2 cents. I always give you guys the truth. So if you want to know what I'm trading, what I'm doing, how I'm playing the market, how I feel about the market, check out my Patreon. There's 3 tiers. Check out the rest of my videos. I'm giving lots of game on YouTube. It's the grand scheme of crypto. God bless. I'm out. Peace.